Good morning, P.O.
P.O. positive or that P?
Will it be a P or a double P? Walter Morgan has the answer.
Every now and then I spend some time in Providence Oaks, and I'm always happy to see this beautiful and orderly village and its well-mannered inhabitants.
Did someone just call me well-mannered? I'll take it. Let's see if the weather will behave today. A bit of sun to start the day, but mostly overcast heading into the evening. Back to the music.
Ooh, interesting. Nope, no answer. Ooh, interesting. All right, I'll leave it on the doorstep. All right, on to the next one.
Hey, you.
Hi.
So I'm guessing you want to rent a movie, huh? We've got a great selection.
Actually, that's not what I'm here for at all.
Wait, you're not telling me you're here for little old me? So, what's on your mind, babe?
Well, I like you, but I think we should just be friends.
I see. I came on a little too strong. It's been known to happen.
I do like you, just not in that way.
Gotcha. Friends it is.
So anyway, what's on your mind? You look a little distracted.
Yeah, I just... You ever get the feeling you're not where you need to be?
Yeah, I know that feeling. I know it all too well.
It's just that this whole Flick Shack adventure, I think it was the right idea at the wrong time.
And in the wrong place?
I think so. Yeah, I think I'm just too different for this town. Plus, business hasn't really been booming.
Ah, and here I was hoping our movie box project would turn things around.
It almost did. Don't think that it didn't help. That's what I mean with the wrong time. I'm sure video will be huge. But it isn't. Not yet. Not here, anyway.
So you're leaving?
Yeah. Yes, I am. Wow. I didn't realize until just now that I'd already made my mind up. But I guess I have. I'm leaving. Gosh, it feels so liberating to say.
You're welcome.
How about you? Have you made your mind up yet? About your future, I mean?
Me? No, not yet.
Well, take your time. I want to give it my full attention when you do decide. And right now, I really have to start organizing the grand closing of the Flick Shack. We hardly knew ye.
I hear ya. I'll swing by later. What on earth did these folks order? Nope, no answer.
It's not what we know, it's where we go. Grow wings and tell our goodbye. It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. Flowers, high glass, and bare feet. To each second is a dream. I keep my balance next to you. It's true. Nowadays there's nothing I wouldn't do. Fly with an open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell them goodbye. It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. We're beyond good. I've never been so ready. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell them goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be.
Hey, Meredith, I'm up here.
Hey, Robert! Wow, that's really high.
What? I can't hear you.
Maybe you should come down.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Maybe I should come down first. Can you hear me now? Hi, Meredith.
That's better.
Thanks for coming out here. This arborist job came up suddenly.
Awesome. I'd love to try that sometime.
It's great up there. I used to climb a lot. Still do, actually. But now I get paid for it, too. Anyways, I figured it would also be good for you to see where the apartments are planned.
Oh, here? Really? Ah, what a shame.
Fear not, I have masterminded a wild card plan.
Tell me all about it.
I've scheduled a recording session at a professional sound studio.
Right, and then?
Well, we'll start jamming. Some music producer accidentally drives by, offers us a contract on the spot. Next stop, rich and famous.
Where?
Rock and roll! It's this afternoon at Jack Reynolds' bar. It'll actually be a radio message to get the people in Providence Oaks involved.
A professional sound studio, huh? Okay, I'm in.
Great. Meet me there after work. I'm gonna get back up in this tree now. See you later.
Bye. Be careful up there.
Thanks.